Ni hao, I'm Frank, and welcome to Storytime. This is the story of how our little brother got his English name. On a lovely day in Wellington, sisters Jean and Joy were playing with their little brother. Mum watched them with a worried frown on her face. Luke? No. Tim? No, she muttered. What's wrong, Mum? Asked Jean. Mum sighed. I'm thinking of an English name for your little brother, but nothing seems quite right. But he has a name, argued Joy. He's Hongwei. Hongwei is a special Chinese name that only our family uses. Just like how I call you Hongmei and Honglin, said Mum. Ah, but our friends call us Jean and Joy, said Jean, understanding. Why do all our Chinese names start with Hong, wondered Joy. Well, that's to show that you're brothers and sisters and will always be connected to each other, said Mum. Jean looked at her brother and sister, who she loved a lot. Then Hongwei, English name should start with J too, like Jean and Joy, she said. That's a very special idea, said Mum. But what name? James? Justin, suggested Joy. Jeremy, offered Jean. Their little brother crawled onto Mum's lap and grabbed the jade she wore round her neck. Jean and Joy gasped, looking at each other at the same time. Jaden, they both said. It begins with a J, said Jean. And he likes your jade, giggled Joy. Jaden, that's perfect. His English name will be Jaden, agreed Mum. So, Jean, Joy and Jaden, who were called Hongmei, Honglin and Hongwei to their family, played together and celebrated the special connection in their names and in their hearts. The end.